Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen upgrade that promises to make your life significantly easier. If you have been avoiding upgrading your old stove because you do not want to deal with complicated electrical wiring or expensive installation costs, the Karinear 2-burner electric cooktop might just be the solution you have been waiting for. The biggest selling point of this unit is convenience. This is a 110-volt electric cooktop that comes with a standard US household plug. You read that correctly. You can simply take it out of the box, place it on your counter, plug it into a standard outlet, and start cooking immediately. There is no need to hire an electrician or worry about high voltage requirements. Let us talk about versatility. This cooktop features 9 adjustable power levels with a temperature range from 200 degrees to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes pre-programmed with 8 specific cooking functions including melt, simmer, steam, boil, fry, roast, stir-fry, and fast heat. Whether you are a total beginner trying to boil water or a home chef looking to perfect a stir-fry, the controls are intuitive and responsive. Design-wise, the smooth black glass surface looks very premium. It is sleek, modern, and adds a touch of class to any kitchen countertop. One of the best design features is the flexibility of installation. You can use it as a portable stovetop by attaching the base brackets, or if you prefer a cleaner look, you can have it installed as a built-in, drop-in unit. In terms of safety, the manufacturer has packed in some essential features. It includes a high-temperature warning light, a child safety lock to prevent accidental usage, and overheat protection. If you are the type of person who leaves the kitchen and worries if you turn the stove off, you will love the timer function which goes up to 240 minutes and the automatic shutdown feature. One major advantage over induction cooktops is compatibility. Because this is an electric ceramic cooktop, it works with almost any heat-resistant cookware you already own. Iron, stainless steel, copper, and even ceramic pots and pans work perfectly fine here. Plus, since it operates without electromagnetic radiation, it is a great choice for those who are sensitive to that or simply prefer traditional radiant heating technology. Looking at the pros and cons, the pros are clear. The installation is incredibly simple, the design is flexible for both renters and homeowners, and the compatibility with all cookware is a huge money saver. On the downside, because it runs on a standard 110-volt outlet, it may not have the lightning-fast boiling speed of a heavy-duty 220-volt professional range, but for the convenience of plug-and-play, it is a trade-off most people are happy to make. Overall, the Karinear 2-burner cooktop is a fantastic, user-friendly appliance that brings modern aesthetics and reliable performance to your kitchen without the headache of a massive renovation project. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking space or need a high-quality portable solution, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.